There's been a whole lot of Windows 10 to 7 transformations floating around the internet, but what about this? Today we'll be taking a look at this Windows 10 mod with the look and feel of the official Milestone 3 build of Windows 7. The first part of the build is the setup, featuring the classic theme in the first stage of the installer and the beta wallpaper. The installer is pretty much the same as the RTM release of Windows 7, so I won't go too much into detail. So here to desktop, the basic theme is set up by default, affecting the window borders, taskbar, and taskbar flyouts. Speaking of the taskbar, this has been set up to resemble the beta. This has a more brownish color compared to the final release. This also includes the system tray icons and the quick watch toolbar, which is enabled by default in the real build. To enable Arrow, open Task Scheduler and enable the following tasks. After that, clear the recent items on the Start menu, then open Documents Library and run arrow.cmd as an administrator. Open Documents again and run the included color fit script. Finally, restart the OS for the changes to take effect. And there we go! Here's Arrow in all of its glory. In this mod, you can find multiple themes to choose from. One issue is that whenever you change themes, the Arrow glass effect turns rather opaque. To fix this, open the Documents library and run the color fit script that fits best with your current theme. Now, moving on to File Explorer, you can see the presence of the column headers at the top. There's also the addition of the Contacts and Downloads library, plus the missing Downloads entry on the Favorites. Here you can launch Windows Help and Support with the content of the actual build. Here's also a beta themed control panel with some entries you would normally find on Milestone 3. Mozilla Firefox is included web browser as usual. Some differences with this theme compared to the one found in my other 10.7 mods is the replacement of the search icon with a globe, the branding, and the display build number, showing the beta builds instead. Here's a modified version of Windows 10's Media Player. Here, the background and buttons have been replaced with the betas. I would also like to point out the modification of these strings. It's a small change, but I think it's a cool detail nonetheless. Paint and Warpath use a modified version of the final Windows 7's Ribbon UI, featuring different icons compared to the final release. This mod features a recreation of the Getting Started applet, modified to resemble Milestone 3. Apart from the icons and background, this also has the placeholder items, just like in the actual build. Media Center is also included in here, albeit with different icons and sounds. You can also find some other programs taken directly from the real build. As usual, you can find the stuff I used for this transformation from the included document. Shout out to everyone who made this mod possible. With nothing else to say, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.